Hi guys, we are in McDonald's at Canada, Saskatchewan. See the cloudy and smoky sky. Okay, because from Manitoba to the north of near in Saskatoon, it's smoky. See, because of wildfire. As you can see, the sky, even there's a sun, it's blurred. It's like smoky in the tree. Okay, for the evacuation. So that's the reason why the the smoky is the problem. Humid and humid and warm, feeling warm for today about the weather here in Saskatchewan, Canada. See, it's already feeling warm. Okay, a little bit windy, cloudy, mixing sunny, and feeling hot. Okay, so just for now, it's update coming from Saskatchewan, Canada. Okay, see you guys for updating. Just click the button and notification bell for more videos to come and latest videos uploaded. Okay guys, see you again and please subscribe. Okay, that's it for now. See you guys.